Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Game for you. I think you subscribe my channel. Okay, today video brings how to apply iPhone sounds and many ringtones for your Android phone and also notification sounds. First you have to download Android ringtones for Android. This app and you will tap it. I'll apply the link in description. Okay, you can see this theme and you will play one. Okay, I love it. Okay, let's see. iPhone opening it. Oh, they're clapping me. Oh, there is a coffin dance. I love it. If you want to set this as your ringtone, you have to click this button and click it and set as ringtone. Or you can set it as notification sound, alarm, or download it, or set as ringtone. Maria Dance Monkey set as ringtone, and you can also apply notification sounds also. Garbage. Oh, that's cute. If you want to apply this notification sound, tap it and set as notification sound. New notification for set as new notification. Okay, you can download this app and set ringtones whatever you want. Thanks for watching this video. I think you subscribe my channel. If you not subscribe my channel, subscribe, like and comment. Okay, goodbye.